Welcome to Rentgine's video tutorial series. In our videos, we will show you how to use Rentgine, which is a car rental software designed for businesses. Our car rental software helps you manage your fleet, staff, and customers in one place. In this video, you will learn how to create a new vehicle in Rentgine. Creating a new vehicle in our software is a quick and easy process. To begin, go to the Vehicles tab where you can see all your existing vehicles. Then click on the New Vehicle button. From there, you can provide various details about the vehicle. However, the required fields that must be filled out are license plate, make, order and calendar, model, and vehicle inspection expiry. Once these fields are completed, you can save the new vehicle to your database. However, the system allows you to give even more information about your vehicle. In the Basic Information section, provide information concerning the vehicle's license plate, make, vintage, and order and calendar. For the order, we recommend using numbers in tens such as 10, 20, 30, and so on to leave room for future vehicles. Then we have the remaining fields, category, which is customizable under Vehicle Categories on the Settings page, model, first registration, and most common rental type, which is a category that you can sort by in the calendar. In the Details section, you can specify the design and gearbox. The options are customizable on the Settings page for both. VIN, number of seats, fuel type, and engine number. The State section allows you to elaborate on the condition of the vehicle. Feel free to fill out the acquisition date, status, indicating whether the vehicle is active in your fleet. Tires, service interval, Rentgine will alert you when the vehicle approaches this limit. And comment fields. In the adjacent column, you will find fields for the time of selling to indicate if you sold this vehicle, vehicle inspection expiry. Rentgine will alert you when the expiration approaches. Service interval time also appears in the alerts if you fill this field out. And known damages, which will appear upon pickup and return in the system. In the rental fee section, specify the standard rental fee for the vehicle. Additionally, you can set a lower price starting from, for example, day 3, and Rentgine will automatically calculate the exact fee based on this data. Tick the relevant additional equipment options and enter their prices in the Additional Equipment section. Next, select the Pickup and Return checklists. Please note that you can only choose a checklist if you have already created checklist questions and checklists in Rentgine. For further information concerning checklists, check out our YouTube video covering this topic. Following the checklist section, you have the option to upload a schematic image of the vehicle, which will come in handy if you have to indicate damages after rentals. You'll be able to do so by drawing on this specific schematic image. The Other Information section allows you to add any additional images, data, comments, or descriptions related to the vehicle. Once you have entered all the information, click the Save button. This car will now appear among your existing vehicles. You can still edit these vehicles by clicking on them, and if a vehicle is no longer part of your fleet, you can archive it. Now you know how you can create, edit, and archive vehicles in Rentgine. If you don't have a Rentgine account yet, check out our subscription plans. For more information concerning the rental process, watch our other videos or visit our website at rentgine.net.